Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Java. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here JDK download, hit enter. That will show you oracle.com, go to their official site. So this link I am going to provide right on our video description. Here and to scroll down and you will get latest version of Java is JDK 25 at the time making of this video. If you are watching this video much later, you might see a different version, but the steps that I am showing on this video will be pretty much same. So just scroll down and switch to your operating system, Linux, Mac OS and Windows. I'll switch to Windows and I'm going to click on this link for x64 MSI installer and our file is rightly started downloading. Once downloaded, just simply click on that installer. That's going to open Java installation wizard. You can minimize your browser. And here just simply click on next. This is where our Java is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And our Java installation is rightly begun. And it is rightly done as well. Just simply click on close. Once you have Java installed, next step is to set its path. So for that, go to search and type environ. Click on edit system environment variable. In system properties, click on environment variables. Here in environment variables, click on path and click on edit. That will open this edit environment variables window. Here I need to provide the Java path. To get that Java path, go to your C drive and you will get program files over here. Go inside. You will get a Java folder created over here. Go inside. You will get JDK 25 folder created over here. Go inside again. You will get a bin folder. Again go inside and you need to select this path. Right click and copy. Now just simply click on new over here and right click and paste that Java path over here. And after that click on OK. So now your Java path is rightly set. It's time to set Java home. Click on new. Just simply type Java underscore home in variable value. Again paste that path. But this time remember to delete that bin folder. Only keep till JDK 25. Click on OK. Then again OK. And then again OK. So that's how you install Java. Let's verify it. Go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and here if you just simply type java space dash dash version and hit enter, it's going to give you this prompt. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Java. So congratulations. Now it's time to do a bit of coding. So right click and hover over new and create a new folder. Give the folder name as Java practice. Go inside that folder and create a new text document and give the file name as hello world. And you need to also change this .txt extension with .java. Hit enter and click on yes. For some reason, if you are not getting this file name extensions, you need to go to view and hover over show and you need to enable this file name extensions. Alright. So just open this file in a notepad and here I need to write Java code, class hello world, close the parenthesis, public static void main, string args, again close the parenthesis, and let's print our output. So system.out.println, within double quote we are going to print hello world. So this is our simple program. Just go to file and save this file, and now it is time to run this file. Just click on this address bar and type cmd, hit enter. That's going to open our command prompt right at this location. Now to run this file, just simply type java c and then need to provide the file name, which is hello world.java. So hello world.java and hit enter. So that's going to compile our file. You can see it's compiled our file and generated a .class file. So this is what we need to execute now. So just simply type java and then need to provide that class name, which is hello world. So hello world and hit enter. And bingo. We are getting the output hello world right on our console. So that's how you install latest version of Java and can start working on your Java projects right over here. I highly recommend you to install IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse IDE, which will help you to give a better experience while coding Java. So all these different videos you are going to get on our Geeky Script channel. Please do subscribe and join our channel. I'm sure you are going to love our videos. And also if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are again completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check out all these different videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.